Hey guys, welcome to Piano Challenge number 32. Today we are going to focus on getting that Dr. John lick along with a bass line. Okay, now to get the jam tracks, the sheet music, and all that good stuff, just go back to pianowithwillie.com/challenge. It's all free of charge. You can download it absolutely free of charge. So go ahead back there and you can grab that. All right, so let's get started. So the bass line here, I get this big here so you could see it, but the bass line, all right, so basically what's happening here is it's outlining basically an F6 chord, okay? There's a little grace note in there, the G sharp. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now notice the fingering here, 5, then 3, then slide up 3. So we're sliding up on that black note up to the white note. Now we can do that when we're going from a black note to a white note, but if we're going from like a white note to a black note, we can't slide using the same finger, all right? So and I have a very simple drum beat here that I will include. It's kind of like a country swingy kind of beat. Play around with this. Bring in the right hand. I also wrote out an alternate version here in which you can see that we're coming in on beat 2. So now notice here notice what's happening here is how this chord, the second chord here, hits along with that G sharp, and then that last chord hits once I hit that E, sorry, the A rather. All right, so you might start with just doing that. Also notice I'm adding another little note in there real quickly. It's like kind of like a 16th note just before I get into this chord right here. So now what I want you to do is just move freely between these two. Now if you want, you can go through the entire blues form and bring those chords up into B flat and C. Now you get yourself the whole blues. So I got B flat, C. Okay. All right, so now notice when I was on C, right, and on B flat. So the bass line for C. For B flat. Bass line for F. And that last chord is playing with just a C augmented 7th chord. Put the 9th in there if you want. If you really want to make it sound jazzy, add the sharp 9 in there. Okay? So anyway, what I want you to try working on is just try to get this right hand along with that left hand. Okay, so just try and get the right hand and the left hand together. Play along with that play along track as well. It's really important. Now, of course, you could play along with your own play along track, make your own track, or play along with a metronome. But I find it a lot more interesting and fun to play along with a drum track, right, rather than just playing along with a regular click track of, like, you know, that's sometimes a little bit boring to practice with. Okay, valuable but boring. So anyway, download that you know, the drum track, and then try practicing this in many different keys, not just the key of F. You know, try moving it from F to B flat to C, and see if you can make an entire blues out of it. Again, if you're interested in getting the sheet music and that jam track, the backing track, just go back to pianowithwillie.com/challenge. Put in your name and email address, and then I will create an account for you where you can log in and you can see all of those challenges, and you get access to all of that stuff absolutely free of charge. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything to access the challenges. All right, take care. I'll see you guys in the next